This old guy DIY video has to do with taking a look at a recover pistol brace made in Israel for the Glock Model 20 10mm. If you have a Glock and you'd like to put a pistol brace on it, in this case it's a Glock 20. Based on my online findings, they make these braces for all kinds of different models. But this thing is kind of neat. There's only one screw that allows you to mount and dismount the pistol. So with this little thing released, so it's not in the locked open position, you loosen up that one screw. This thing just opens up like a clamshell. Then you just lay the pistol in there. I'll do that right now. And then you'll see that there's a brace attached to the pistol, and if you prefer to shoot with some assistance with your forearm or shoulder, it's there for you. The brace also comes with this little thing that attaches to the slide, since you don't have access to the serrations when the gun is mounted in this brace. So this is just a little two-piece deal. You remove the screws from the top, then you can install it, and you need to put that on the gun before you install the gun in the brace. The top half just drops on like that, so you can still see your sights, but you have this little handle to rack the action. Here's the gun with that little rack assist installed. I found if you just lock it in that back position, it goes on there pretty easily. So I dropped the pistol into the little clamshell. Now I'll just tighten up this one screw, then I can lock this little clip and it'll be ready to go. When you go to mount this thing to the pistol or remove the pistol from it, it's important that you press this little button so that kicks over. That allows this clamshell to open. This is what the final assembled package looks like. You have this little grip on the front. You can see your sights. It has this mount on it, so you can put a red dot on there if you like, or put a light on the side. It has the blade with a strap to wrap around your forearm. And it locks up surprisingly solidly, in my opinion. That's what the package looks like in its broken down position. And it just has a little hook on that plastic tab that causes the back part of the brace to lock in place right alongside of the gun. And it does allow you to still grab and fire the pistol with the brace folded if you don't want to deploy it. So I'm a big guy, 6'3", and this thing comes up a little short for me. I had read about it. I saw an opportunity to buy one just for the sake of this video, so I did. I'm not going to shoot it. I'm going to put this thing for sale, and now you and I both know more about this particular device. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.